If you want to make a public profile on Snapchat, here's a step-by-step guide on how to pull that off. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and click your avatar icon at the top left. Okay, and here you're gonna be able to see your name, your friends, and everything. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go ahead and scroll a little bit down right here to Spotlight in Snap Map, right? And then basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go ahead and start doing the Snapchat. Like, let's take a picture, for example, right? And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go ahead and hit send to, and we're gonna send it to my story, right? And basically they will after you send it to your story, you're gonna be able to start your journey with making a public profile on Snapchat. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.